Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another week, another video. This week I didn't go hiking or explore any new places in New Zealand, but honestly a lot happened in our life this week. So I thought I would take you along and share a little bit of our everyday life. So let's get started. Starting off the week, we cleaned the house because some of our friends from Hamilton were coming to visit our city and staying nearby, so we had to get the house ready for them. Apart from that, we were working throughout the whole week, so my husband had work and I had work too. On top of that, I had to create and film some content from my YouTube channel for throughout the week, so I was quite busy. I did not really get much time to properly film our everyday life, but I did capture a few little moments from the week that I wanted to share with you. I cannot just work without taking some time for myself. I need to go outside, connect with nature and refresh my mind. Otherwise, literally, I feel like I cannot concentrate properly or anything. So on Friday evening around 4 o'clock, we decided to go out for a little walk and spend some time at nearby park.
1, 2.
The park had a really nice playground for kids, but the interesting thing was that some of the equipment was actually suitable for adults too, so of course we had to try it. Was definitely the small zip line. It was so much fun. We tried most of the things that adults could use, and honestly I felt like a child again. It was so nostalgic. Playing on that playground brought back so many childhood memories, and for a moment I completely forgot that I was an adult. Sometimes you really don't need anything fancy to have a good time. And then comes Saturday morning, we went grocery shopping and visited the farmer market. We brought lots of fresh Asian vegetable because we had some friends coming over the next day. Then in the afternoon, we went to our first birthday celebrations for a Nepali family little one. They invited us to the celebrations and we had such a lovely time. The food was absolutely delicious and there was also a bingo game. Of course, we played bingo, but unfortunately, we did not win. In the evening, we decided to take our friends to Timata Peak to watch sunset. Unfortunately, it was late, so we missed the sunset, but honestly, it was still so worth going up there.
Hello, ito chocolate.
After that, we went to the motel where our friends from Hamilton were staying, and of course, we had to have a little chatpati party. It was honestly so much fun. We all gathered together, talked, laughed, ate, and catch up with each other. We had not seen them for about a month, so it was really nice to meet again and spend some quality time together. And then came Sunday. We invited to them our house for lunch, but unfortunately we could not film anything because we were super busy preparing everything. We were cooking, getting the house ready, and making sure everything was organized for our guests. So no camera that day. Sometimes you just have to put the camera down and enjoy the moment. Around 3 o'clock we said goodbye to our friends because they had to drive back to Hamilton. After they left, we cleaned up the house and finally had some time to relax. We went for a little walk near our house, and honestly it was so beautiful. It was such a peaceful way to end the weekend. So, overall, this weekend was full of fun, nostalgia, friends, food, and lots of little moments that made us happy. We did not go anywhere fancy, we did not climb a mountain or explore a new place. But sometimes the simple weekends are the ones that become the best memories. And I think that sometimes we all need to remember, go outside, live your life, work hard, but also make time for yourself. Meet your friends, spend time with the people you love, go for a walk, connect with nature, make memories. Because life is short and we should not spend all our time just working. Sometimes you need to step away from your routine, take a breath, and enjoy the little things. So that's all for today's vlogs. Thank you so much for watching and spending a little bit of your time with me. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment if you enjoy watching this kind of everyday life vlog, because I would love to share more of them with you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.